Estem aquí a l'Empordà, on hem passat moments molt especials, com a parella, en família, i és una terra que per nosaltres és molt especial, és el nostre lloc especial.
I jo et diria, et queda molt mal, queda molt mal.
He vist a l'Àlex.
¿Has visto a Alex?
Sí.
Debe estar muy nervioso, ¿no?
Nervioso.
Nervioso.
Nervioso de verdad.
Spending time with Teresa, it was like when you go to the movies, you watch the same movie, but you put these glasses on and you see it in 3D. All the experiences that I had with Teresa from the very start, I felt that I was living them more vividly and with more intensity. Just being with Teresa, everything was just felt more exciting. It was the same world, but it was completely different at the same time.
En anglès diuen sink or sail, que és o navegues o t'enfonses. I l'Àlex i jo continuem navegant, viento en popa a toda vela.